Rocket. Hey, sweetheart. What's this? Oh, hold on. Rumble's looking at it again. Let's try not disturbing him this time. Let's see what he makes of it. Take a swipe at it. Or is he gonna just... Oh, okay. This channel is entirely unscripted. We can't actually write scripts for cats. I mean, we could, but that wouldn't work very well. Where'd Rocket go? Hey, Rocket, come here. Come on. Let's see what Rocket thinks of it. Hey, what's that? Sweetie. Oh, he doesn't like the baby, so he might not like that noise. And he's gonna run away. Okay, well, thank you for watching that utterly failed cat tip. Don't forget to subscribe for more random videos of my cats.